If you have a child, boy or girl, that's ready for their first car or their second car, maybe you're spoiling them, buying their second car. Some of you are probably buying their third car. So after the car, hiding, hulle moet gaan. Hulle moet op hulle eie gaan. Okay, 2022, and it's a titanium spec with what mileage else? 11.
Stupid low.
That's stupid low. 11,000 Ks. Titanium spec, drug dealer tin. It's a girl. Big boot. Sorry?
Ja, it's a girl.
It's a girl. Het jy gedink ek het gejok vir die mense?
Ja.
Jy's baie cheeky vandag, Els. Wat het jy
Ek weet nie
geëet?
wat, hoekom sê jy vandag nie? Dit is mos...
Het Superman op jou pap gepiepie vanoggend. Leather seats inside.
That's a new one.
Semi-leather, sorry. Amper lieg ek vir die mense. Semi-leather seats inside. And it's a manual. Because you're not lazy.
Noem is dit semi-leather.
Yeah, because it's got like leather on the side. And then,
Maar dan sit mos net leather on the side. Dan sit nie semi-leather nie. That just looks like leather on the side. Otherwise it would have been a little bit leather and material. Anyway, yes. Proceed.
moet ek hier staan vir?
Ja.
If this is your flavor, shoot Uncle B a message. We'll deliver anywhere in beautiful, overcast South Africa. Uncle B out.
Uncle Bobby out.